Hey folks, here you go, my most fun print to date, skeletal fish, and there goes the notification. Thing is, this is all printed in one whole piece, and this keyring's got a little fob on him. The good thing is, he says totally screwing up the focus, is it articulates quite a lot, to be honest. What you can hear in the side is the printer guy itself going. I say to print on a raft, but when I did that it was a hell of a job to get it off the raft. And the previous one I actually snapped the tail off. So it's not got that much structural strength, but as a wiggle toy it's rather amazing. That's the back. So this one I printed just using a brim. Focus. And the brim was a lot easier to tidy up. It still takes a fair amount of time and a very fine tip screwdriver to use as a chisel, pry bar, what have you. But all in all, I think it's pretty damn amazing. So I printed it off Thingiverse. I'll post the link. And yeah, the mouth doesn't exactly open, but it will grip card and paper and stuff. Yeah, one fossil fish keyring, all printed in one go. There's no assembly. There's taking off the scrap or the waste, or if you trust yourself, just print it with no brim, no raft, and just be very careful taking it off the build plate. Yeah, it's just a really fun print. And back to the best side. Alright. Cheers.